Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here, you're highly welcome. My name is Chidera and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. Please consider subscribing and click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing community. To my OGs, thank you so much guys for always coming back. So today I'm going to show you how I made it yummy delicious ogbono soup. Without wasting much time guys, let's get started. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this ogbono and okra soup. And here is my crayfish. And I have my bomoy here, that's my cow skin. I've washed and chopped it. And here is my beef. You can use goat meat if you want to. And my scotch bonnet pepper, I'm using the yellow one. I have my okra, I have washed it already. And here is my ogbono. I wash my ogbono too. Let me know if you wash your ogbono before cooking. Yes, I wash my ogbono. And in here is my stockfish head. I'm already soaking it in hot water to remove all these ants, all these insects, weevils that eats fish. Okay, so you have to soak it in hot water for a few minutes and then you wash it. Open the inside and wash it well. And then for my leaf, I'm using uziza leaf. You can use pumpkin leaf, you can use any leaf, bitter leaf, but I chose to use uziza leaf today. So guys, we are going to start now by cooking our meat. And in my dried pot, I'll be adding in my beef. I'll be going in with my pepper. And then I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi Niger pot. I'm going to stir this. I won't be adding water now. I'm going to stir this. I will cover the pot and cook this for about 2 minutes, okay, until the beef releases its own juice. Then I will come back to add in water. So guys, I'll be going in with my stockfish now. I'm adding the stockfish now because it takes the same time to cook with the beef. So I'll be going in with some water, adding the quantity of water that you'll be needing for your soup. I'm just going to mix this properly now and I will cover the pot and I'll allow it to cook. And while this is cooking, I will go ahead to blend my ogbono and my okra and prepare the rest of the things I'm using for this soup. So guys, our meat is cooked now. I'm going to take it down and then we'll start making our soup properly. And in a dried pot, I'll be going in with my palm oil. So we are not bleaching this palm oil. I'm just going to let this to heat up, okay? Then I'll add in my ogbono. So guys, there is my ogbono. I'm going to keep stirring this, okay? I will fry it for some time now. keep an eye on it. If not, it's going to get burnt, and that is not what we want. I'm going to be adding a little bit of my stock, and then I will keep stirring. I added in more stock to this, and then I'll be going in with the rest of my meat stock. I'll keep stirring this, okay? The longer you stir your ogbono, the more it draws. So now I'll be adding water to this because I don't have more meat stock again. I'll be adding new water to this now to loosen it. And then I'm going to stir it. I'm going to keep mixing it. As you can see, the ogbono is drawing already. I'm going to allow this to cook a little bit while I still keep my eye on it, okay? So guys, as you can see, the ogbono is coming out very well and it's really drawing. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube now. I'll go in with the crayfish. And then I'm going to mix this. I'll add in my cow skin now. I'll be going back with my beef and my stock fish. I'll be introducing them back to the soup. I'm going to mix everything together to properly combine. I'll be adding in water because this ogbono is very thick. Just adding water to loosen it. So I've added in the water and I'm just going to stir. I'll be going in with salt, okay, because I added in more water, so I have to adjust the seasoning. I'm just going to mix this now. I will allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? So guys, I'll be going in with my okra now. And then I'm going to mix this very well to properly combine this together. I'll be adding in my uziza leaf now. And then I will stir everything together. Guys, our soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to our channel? Please subscribe, like, and leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? So now I'm going to be dishing out my soup to enjoy it with my oat swallow. You see how yummy and delicious our soup is looking like. And guys, this is what we have. Our Ogbono and okra soup is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comment for me in the comment section. Hope you will try out this recipe. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching, and let me also know the swallow you'll be enjoying this deliciousness with. Until I come here when it's time, guys, please stay safe. Bye.